Install the Cash app to get $20, the PayPal app to get $15, another app to get $30, and so on. Each app you install will earn you up to $30 when you do so. Utilizing all 5 of the websites recommended in this video might result in daily earnings of more than $1,000. You can do this from anywhere in the globe as long as you have a smartphone device with an internet connection, and it practically functions in every nation. Working my way up, I'll begin on the website that pays the least. The first app where you can make money by downloading other apps is appkarma.io. In the Google Play Store or the App Store, just type App Karma to find this logo. In this app's dashboard, you may see every other app and game you've downloaded. The number of points you will receive after downloading that specific app is visible right next to them. To receive a list of all the apps you can download, all you have to do is sign up for this app, install it, make an account, and then log in. The variety of apps you download from App Karma will determine how many points you obtain. They also offer a range of promotions that you can use. The simplest method is to download different apps. All you have to do is click Install, wait a short bit, and then use your points. You can choose to withdraw your money using PayPal or another gift card if you'd like. When will you be able to use this website to make at least $10? You would need $12,500 in points, almost the same as downloading 10 separate apps, to match every $10 in PayPal money. When you consider that all it takes to earn enough points to withdraw $10 via PayPal is to click the Install button, wait a few minutes, and repeat the process 10 times, it's not much work at all. The second platform is called Ysents.com. There is a ton of different ways to generate money online right now, but since downloading apps is one of the simplest ways to do it, we'll focus on it today. They also work closely with many important companies. People are simply gushing about the sums of money they are generating through the numerous platforms that I have extensively researched, and will now share with you. There are several ways to make money here, one of which is via downloading programs. By completing different paid surveys, registering for websites, viewing films, and engaging in a variety of other activities, you can make money. Visit Ysents.com, enter your email address, choose a secure password for your account, and click Join Now to register. You'll have full access to all of the available apps, and you'll get paid in real money each time you download one. If you want to make the most out of it, I highly suggest that you look into their referral program because it provides lifetime commissions of over 30% of the website. This implies that you can copy your Ysents.com referral link and share it with family and friends you believe would benefit from it. Tell anybody you know who appreciates making money online to visit this website. If they start making money, you will get 30% of their prospective earnings. You will still make money even if they bring in $1,200 because just one referral will earn you $360 in pure passive revenue. You can use it to increase your passive income referrals. A third website that will pay you even more is GetPaidTo.com. The advantage of this website is that you may make money by downloading games to your smartphone, which is surely something we all do daily. It costs money to download certain games and apps. You can earn money in several ways, such as through completing surveys, short activities, and online offers. All of these things will take far more time and effort than downloading apps. Downloading an app only takes a couple of minutes, and you may start getting paid right immediately. To start downloading the games for free, go to GetPaidTo.com, click Join Free today, and fill out the registration form. On this website, 5,000 points are needed to withdraw $1, hence 50,000 points are needed to earn $10. You can relax because each app and game you install will earn you considerably more points. The biggest feature is that they accept a wide range of payment options, including bank transfers, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, PayPal Money, Skrill, and other gift cards. Just sign up, and you may start earning a lot of money. The fourth website where consumers can get money by installing free apps is Prizeable.com. This is my favorite because you don't have to wait at all to get paid. It takes around 5 seconds to sign up, download a couple of applications, and get paid right away. You can get paid using PayPal and other methods including gift cards, Visa gift cards, Amazon gift cards, and Walmart gift cards. That's it for today. Please like, share, and subscribe.